Hi, this is Shaktivil Rajendran, student of Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Let's get into the topic of BMC about Walmart. Walmart is the number one company in the world in 2021, a current year. Walmart is an American multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of hypermarkets, discount department store and grocery store from the United States. The founder of Walmart is Sam Walton and founded in 2nd July 1962, which is located in United States. Let's get into the 9 proposition of BMC. Key partners of Walmart. The supply chain for Walmart store is global, with suppliers in the United Kingdom, Canada, China, Mexico, Taiwan, Hong Kong, France, and other countries. Of the top 5 suppliers who generate large portion of their revenues from Walmart, 4 are US companies and 1 is based in Japan. Key activities of Walmart. Walmart key activities include first, buying and delivering goods while controlling the cost involved. In addition, the company invests in customer service, inventory control, and distribution management. Key resources of Walmart. Walmart's key resources are its intellectual properties, its supply chain and logistic infrastructure, its online and mobile platform, and IT infrastructure, its international chain of physical retail outlets, its partnership, and its personnel. Value propagation of Walmart. Walmart customer relationship is also entirely based on its value proposition. Cheap, good, and varied merchandise, easily accessible, and with the best service. For these processes are as automated and simplified as possible. Customer relationship of Walmart. Walmart offers lowest price to attract customer and focuses more in making bulk sale rather than a few. It doesn't believe in overpricing the products. Diversification makes sure that complementary products drive sale of product even if another is under promoted. Channels of Walmart. Walmart uses the intensive distribution strategy or intensive distribution channel design for this marketing mix element. In this strategy, the company stores and e-commerce website generally offers the same value of goods and service, and all stores have similar function in their operation. Walmart segmentation. Walmart segmentation is the core focuses of Walmart strategic marketing. Segmentation refers to dividing population into groups according to certain characteristics. Cost structure of Walmart. Walmart has a cost driven structure which mainly focuses on minimizing the cost. The expansion of the company allocates economics of scale at chain level. The financial discipline of the company is well known because they pass on their operating costs to the supplier. Revenue streams of Walmart. Walmart generates its revenue by directly selling products and serving to individual and business owner. Product revenues. Walmart sells groceries, health and wellness, entertainment, hardlines, apparel, and home products, etc. Let's overview the BMC of Walmart. Key partners, worldwide supplier, key activities, inventory control and distribution management, customer service, key resource, brand, brick and mortar stores, storage and distribution system. Value proposition provides a wide variety of products at the lowest price and in the most convenient way possible. Customer relationship. Simple customer service. Channel, brick and mortar stores, website and mobile app. Customer segment, mass market, low income. cost structure, stores, human resource, supply chain, revenue streams, retail, sales, and service. That's all about my business model convo about Walmart. Thank you.